This is Arthur Blackburn. I'm back again. This time I'm bringing you the invoicing on the third leg. And we're going to cover that now. Now, if you want to come and see details or other videos we have, come to our website, which is shown right here. And we're glad to have you with us today. But now we're going to cover the invoicing. It's on the third leg. And so here we go. Now you can see right here is the third leg. And we are right now assuming that you've already transferred all the information over into the other workflow and that we're going to now proceed to do the invoicing. In other words, you've already posted it. Now you can see the company we have already posted and have done is right here. And so all the information is ready for us to go ahead. If we were posting a new one, we click there and go on in. But this is the table. And we're now going to go in and see on that company. This is the overview. Okay. And down here is the invoicing table. It's in the overview. Okay. So we can see that there's a W1, and so we're doing that min. And going inside of the W1, here's what we have. We have the review. It's the first item that we're going to discover. There's the menu, and here's review. Now on review, this is where we're going to input the amount we want to invoice after we do an evaluation. And this is what has been invoiced already to date. Now this is the way that we go about it. We can see what we proposed to do the job for, and then we can see what was spent to do the job so far. Taking this all into the consideration, we're ready now to generate an invoice. Now, on the first page of that, we automatically get over the amount that we had on the other fields. And now we'll fill in the invoice option that we have. We'll input the date. And it's a good idea to print it up at this time before you click here to do the invoice. And here's two invoices that have already been done. And when you see the number of the invoice, you click and you then display the information that is needed. And this is what it looks like on the invoice that is being done. In other words, you use that information, you printed it up so that you would input the same information for the invoice. And then the invoice is generated and you're ready to go and edit. Now I'll point out a couple things here for you. This is the address. You can modify the address at this time if you have later information that needs corrected. All right. There's the tables. There's the amounts. This is just on the edit mode. The site location, if you want to modify that, you can. And you're ready to go to print. So now you will print. This is your menu to print, and here's what it looks like without a table. I will point out several things here. Your logo will be here, your signature block, and your footer. We'll provide that for you. Now this is a fixed price one, and that's, of course, it has the fixed price table that you utilized in order to do the proposal. And then we're going to go on the time and material one, and we'll show that table, depending on what you want. Now the last item we have here is the billing process. And what that is you can go in and delete once you have had it paid. In other words, you could go ahead and click delete and take out this one because it's paid. Or you can keep it there for a record until you're ready. All right. And this has been a presentation of invoicing, and we hope that it was very insightful for you. Give your dealer a call or call us, and we'll put you in front of a dealer to answer any detailed questions you may have. Thank you for your time.